For today's video, I wanted to try something else, so I decided to learn a new song to play on this accordion, and I'm gonna take about, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes of practice to see how far I can go with, let's say, a simple song. This is, I choose William Tell from Palmer Hughes' book number 3, and you know, that's a pretty nice song, and I don't think it's hard. But you know, I don't really play songs on this accordion, so let's try and learn one for you. Let's see how this will go. So for the start, I realized that it's better if I use the Help Pro. You know, going the chord, arpeggio chord, F major chord. Better than if I use this is in any form. This is bigger stretch, so I think this one is better. Always, if you make mistakes 2 or 3 times in a row, just either stop playing fast, go slower, or make the part that you're practicing shorter. The very big difference between this type of accordion and a piano accordion is that on a piano accordion, when I play a C, let's say a C, I can play it, you know, anywhere on the keyboard in that area, but over here you cannot move your finger left or right because it's another note. So that's new for me. I'm realizing that these straps are not for me, even though I can fit in. It pushes the accordion more towards the right, and I have a pain in my shoulder, so you know, it's not comfortable. Like, I can do it for now, but if I have to play for practice for 2 or 3 hours, it will probably be real challenge, and I don't think I would be able to practice like this day after day. I don't know what would happen if I have to practice for 10 days, 15 days. Maybe my shoulder would get used to it. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna try to find different straps, so you know, it works better for me. I'm now in a phase where I can play everything, but still a mistake here and there happens. That means if you get into that situation also, that means you have to separate the parts again and re-practice everything. No matter if you know, you think you know, or you don't think you know. You just have to go through everything again. interesting. I noticed playing F G A, yes, and it's going this way. My pinky wants to go that way, you know, to set the hand for the piano accordion. So I tend to make mistakes, you know, to go there, and that's very interesting. So I need to push back now. Okay, it's been like 20 minutes of practice now, roughly. Let's see where I stand. Okay, this wasn't bad, but like as you can hear, it's not perfect. It just means I need more practice, and I know where the problems are. Missing the notes, just because my hand is not used to holding the same position, and that's okay. That's okay. I mean, if I try to play a violin, I would also struggle because, you know, my hand used to have certain muscle memory and is used to certain position. So just have to learn again, like a new thing. I hope you liked this video. This was just a part of me showing the how I practiced this song, and frankly, I enjoyed it. I don't have a lot of time for practice, so I enjoy at it whenever I can. Practice. You must practice. Find time, because without practice, there isn't a chance that you will learn to play something. And because of the nature of this instrument, and actually any other instrument, unless you skip certain level and get into the position that you can actually play a song with ease, I don't think you will be able to really enjoy the music. So do your homework, do your work, learn right hand, learn both hands, put the hands together, attack those hard, difficult places that you have to practice, that are really bugging you. Practice them first, and then once you get any piece you play in certain level, then you can really start enjoying the piece. Until then, just learn to enjoy the process of practice. I do. See you next time.